How has my book performed after publishing that book just over 600 days ago? My Archie the Bear book was published on the 22nd of August 2022. And in this video, I'm going to show you what I've spent on my advertising campaigns over the lifetime of that ad, how it's performed, the money that made on that campaign, but also to show you the performance in the US, UK, and Australia. Now, if you haven't been on my channel before, welcome. I'm the founder of Global Self-Publishing, and I also have a school community, which I call the Self-Publishing Academy. So you can join the school academy just by checking out the link below. And in that community, you're joined up with like-minded publishers where we share our wins, our challenges, and learn how to publish high-quality books to generate long-term passive income with Amazon KDP and Ingram Spark. So let's get into this right now. I'm going to go to the book's performance across the US, UK, and Australia right now. As of today, that BSR can fluctuate. It can go high, it can drop further down, but as of today, I want to show you how that book is performing. Then I'm going to cross over to my Amazon ads in the US and Australia, and I'll show you those campaigns over the lifetime. And let's have a look and see if you can learn anything from my book and what you can do to help your books become more successful. Let's get into it now. So this is the US bookstore for Amazon. Let's scroll down from Archie the Bear. And if we look at the performance right now, it's on 71,178 in books. It's got 56 ratings, and someone's even provided a video review, which is fantastic. So that's going pretty well at the moment for the US. Let's go to, what's this one, Australia. So if we have a look down here, and it is currently ranked at 6,724, or 32 in children's books, 44 ratings in the Australian marketplace. And then the final one, let's go to, dismiss that one. Let's go to the UK. So we scroll down on the UK, and it is ranked at 129,000. So a little bit, well, the BSR is a bit greater than I was hoping for, but still, that's okay. I'm okay with that. Now, if we were to go back to the US and I was to use KD Spy, I've actually got the ranking. I think I might have tracked it. We'll just wait for this to load up and see if it actually comes up. So we've got where we are tracking, and we're going to go to Big Brother. This one here, we're going to go paperback, and we're going to check out here. And this will actually give us a look at where the sales tracking has gone. So the other day it was ranked at 380, but gone up 97,000, back here, 65,000, 79,000. So if we look at today's results, scrolling down again, it was at 71,000. So you can see how it does bounce around, but it's important to consider the average of the book over the longer term period and not just look at daily results, because that will drive you crazy if you kept on checking the BSR every single day. Let's now go to my Amazon ads campaigns. So this is the US campaign. Looking at the results right here. So the ACOS over that whole period, 600 days, I've actually been running this campaign for, so it's been a long-term campaign that I've been optimizing. An ACOS of 23%. I'm very, very happy with that. Nearly 1.5 million impressions. I've spent nearly $2,800. However, the return on that investment has been $12,000 in book sales on this single campaign. I do have a couple of other campaigns that are run, but this has been a great result for the US campaign. Let's go to the Australian campaign. So this one, spend 1,607, again looking at the lifetime, and has made $1,304 with an ACOS of 12%. So again, pretty happy with that. Impressions, just over 170,000 impressions. So you can see that there are quite a few things that have been going well for the book. I've really tried to work hard on ensuring that it's a great book cover, that the description was really good, making sure that I had everything in place to provide a great customer experience. So if I scroll down here, you can see some of the reviews as well. There's a review that isn't so good, this one just here. So that review was a 1-star. Where is it? Let's go back up here. Let's go to the 1-star review. It says, negative. I thought this book focused too much on the negative aspects of adding a new baby. For example, crying. I would prefer something more positive. So I wasn't quite sure how to think about that one. But Abigail, I'm sorry that the book didn't meet your expectations. If we look at the reviews in the Australian marketplace, there again 44 reviews, 4.7 ranking, which is really, really good as well. So I've been happy with the performance of the book so far. So I just wanted to provide you with an overview of how Archie the Bear Becomes a Big Brother has performed over that 600 days. And what I can tell you is it's important to make sure that you continue to advertise, that you have great covers that are going to stand out to people that are looking to buy a book within this certain niche area. It's quite a competitive niche area, books for babies and toddlers, but it's been around long enough to be able to get some good traction and be in the algorithm now as well. So hopefully that really helps you. I'll mention at the end of this video, but remember to jump on to my Self-Publishing Academy if you want to be part of this. It's a great opportunity to learn a lot of things. I've got a lot of my best-selling courses there as well, which you can access if you are part of the community. So hopefully that information helps you out and you've learned something about publishing books and about the performance of my book. But remember, it's all about the quality of the book that you create and making sure that you're creating a book that's going to resonate with customers as well. So I do hope that you've enjoyed this video. Remember, if you want to join my school community, check out the links below. Great group of people in there. I just had a Q&A session about 2 hours ago with the group, and we had a wonderful time discussing everything to do with publishing, working through challenges that might be going on, answer any questions, and it is honestly a fantastic community to be part of. So if you want to be joining the school community, my Self-Publishing Academy, make sure you check out the link below. So until my next video, I'll see you then.